Three-dimensional figures. Dimension. Let us learn about dimension. What is dimension? Measurement of length in one direction is called dimension. Example: length, width, depth, and height are dimensions. One dimension. This is a line. It has one dimension, length. All one-dimensional figures have only length. Two dimension. This is a rectangle. It has two dimensions, length and breadth. Can you give me some examples for two-dimensional shapes? Examples for two-dimensional shapes are triangles, pentagons, etc. Three dimensions. This is a rectangular cube. It has three dimensions, length, breadth, and height or depth. All three-dimensional shapes have length, breadth, and height or depth. Three-dimensional shapes. Let us learn more about three-dimensional figures. Let us see some of the objects in our day-to-day life which are in three-dimension shape. For example, football, box, ice cream, first aid box, dice, and many more. Can you give me some examples of three-dimensional shapes? Examples for three-dimensional shapes are cube, cylinder, etc. We live in a three-dimensional world. Every object you can see or touch has three dimensions that can be measured: length, width, and height. The room you are sitting in can be measured in these three dimensions. Even you can be measured in these three dimensions: length, width, and height. Please note, a three-dimensional shape, also called a solid shape, is a shape which is measurable by its length, breadth, and height. Now, I'll show you different types of three-dimensional figures.